How to add multiple users in WordPress? Just go to WordPress dashboard, click on user, click on add new, and enter the information, username, email, first name, last name, and if you have any website, and then generate the password. You can manually enter your own password, but there is option that WordPress provide you a strong password. In the role, you can select the role of the new user. It can be administrator, editor, or subscriber. Then save the information. You are a new user in Edit. You can see all the users from by clicking on all user option on user on WordPress dashboard.